What's wrong, Lisa? Why are you crying? What's wrong, Lisa? Why are you crying? Mr. Smith gave me an F today. Mr. Smith gave me an F today. What? Another F? What? Another F? How did that happen? How did that happen? Sarah set me up. Sarah set me up. I don't know who Sarah is. Is she the new girl? I don't know who Sarah is. Is she the new girl? Yes, she's new and she's evil. Yes, she's new and she's evil. How did she trick you? How did she trick you? She lied to me. She lied to me. That's not nice. That's not nice. I will talk to Mr. Smith. I will talk to Mr. Smith. Please help me, Dad. Please help me, Dad. Don't worry, Lisa. Everything will be fine. Don't worry, Lisa. Everything will be fine. Lisa can't get another F. Lisa can't get another F. This time she's not to blame. This time she's not to blame. Mr. Smith has to give her another chance. Mr. Smith has to give her another chance. I will convince him. I will convince him. Actually, Lisa is a sweet girl. Actually, Lisa is a sweet girl. Here is Lisa's school. Here is Lisa's school. I'll go to Mr. Smith's office. I'll go to Mr. Smith's office. Hello, Mr. Smith. Hello, Mr. Smith. Hello, Mr. Peters. What a surprise. Hello, Mr. Peters. What a surprise. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Lisa told me what happened. Lisa told me what happened. She didn't make her presentation. She didn't make her presentation. Please give her another chance. Please give her another chance. It was not her fault. It was not her fault. Then whose fault was it? Then whose fault was it? Sarah's. Sarah's. Sarah is a superb student. Sarah is a superb student. She did nothing wrong. She did nothing wrong. Lisa said that Sarah was lying. Lisa said that Sarah was lying. I can't imagine that. I can't imagine that. How can Lisa get another chance? How can Lisa get another chance? Only if Sarah admits her lie. Only if Sarah admits her lie. Okay, I've understood everything. Thank you very much, Mr. Smith. Okay, I've understood everything. Thank you very much, Mr. Smith. I'll talk to Sarah's parents. I'll talk to Sarah's parents. It's the only option. It's the only option. Here is Sarah's house. Here is Sarah's house. I hope her father is nice. I hope her father is nice. Who are you and what are you doing here? Who are you and what are you doing here? Hello, Mr. Berman. I'm Mr. Peters. Hello, Mr. Berman. I'm Mr. Peters. I'm Lisa's father. I'm Lisa's father. And why are you here? And why are you here? I'd like to talk to you about Sarah. I'd like to talk to you about Sarah. What do you want from my daughter? What do you want from my daughter? Well, my daughter Lisa got an F yesterday. Well, my daughter Lisa got an F yesterday. What does Sarah have to do with it? What does Sarah have to do with it? Sarah lied to my daughter. Sarah lied to my daughter. It can't be. Sarah is always honest. It can't be. Sarah is always honest. Sarah, this man claims that you lied. Sarah, this man claims that you lied. Is that true? Is that true? Yes, Dad, I lied. Yes, Dad, I lied. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Because I got an A for it. Because I got an A for it? I see. So you took advantage of Lisa. I see. So you took advantage of Lisa. Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad. And did you achieve your goal as a result? And did you achieve your goal as a result? I did. I did. Good job. That's my daughter. Good job. That's my daughter. Excuse me? You think that's good? Excuse me? You think that's good? I will tell everything to Mr. Smith. I will tell everything to Mr. Smith. No one will believe you. No one will believe you. There will be repercussions. There will be repercussions. What does Mr. Berman think of Sarah's behavior? A, it's good. B, it's bad. C, he's neutral. Leave a comment below. What does Mr. Berman think of Sarah's behavior? A, It's good. B. It's bad. C. He's neutral. Leave a comment below.